One evening, as the sun begins to set, Spark notices a strange, glowing light deep in the forest. Curious and excited, he gathers his friends, Luna, Tinker, and Pebble, to investigate. The friends venture into the forest following the glow. Along the way, they encounter challenges: a rickety bridge over a fast-flowing river, a mischievous group of fireflies that lead them in circles, and a dense thicket that seems impossible to pass. But with teamwork and each character's unique skills, they overcome each obstacle. When they finally reach the source of the glow, they discover an old, forgotten lantern hanging from a tree branch. The lantern is magical, and it holds a message from the ancient guardians of the forest. Whispering Woods is in danger, and only true friends with pure hearts can save it. Excited by the prospect of a new adventure, the friends make a pact to protect the forest and solve the mystery behind the lantern's message. Luna suggests they start by seeking out the oldest creature in the forest, the great elder tree, who might know more about the danger looming over Whispering Woods. The episode ends with the friends setting off on their next journey, determined to protect their home and uncover the secrets of the magical lantern.